Okay, somebody asked for a video on this skill. Use the polynomial remainder theorem. And it's this kind of really cool facet of polynomials that if you want to know what the remainder is when you divide it by x minus 1, right, all you have to do is take a positive 1 and plug it in here. Okay? So that's exactly what I did. Here's my word for that. You have to figure out what the divisor, what would make the divisor 0, and that would be 1, right? And if this is plus 1, then I would use negative 1. It's always the opposite of whatever this thing is. And then I just plug it into the polynomial, I work it down, and I get a number. That number has got to be the remainder. So going back to the problem, I hit remainder is 5. Now it also asks whether x minus 1 is a factor of the polynomial. And we're only going to hit yes if the remainder ends up being 0. And just think back to numbers. That's what it means. You know, if 2 goes into, if 2 is a factor of 12, that's because it goes in 6 times. It goes in evenly. It goes in without remainder. So since this one has a remainder of 5 and not 0, we're going to say no for our answer. X minus 1 doesn't go in. Okay, so I hope that helps on this one a little bit.